Hello everybody, my today's topic is importance of delegation of authority. There are 6 points of importance for delegation of authorities. Let's begin with point number 1, that is effective management. This happens because the superior is delegating some of its tasks to the subordinates depending upon their capability, and on the other hand they can focus more on policy making, strategic planning and growth and other opportunities of the company. Thus, it maintains a balance between the growth of the company as well as the routine job is also done. Thus, effective management takes place because of delegation of authority. Now comes second point, that is employees development. As the task is assigned to the subordinates on their capabilities, thus the employees development is done because they accept the accountability, they exercise judgment for problem solving, their self-confidence is enhanced, and thus they are trained for future. So their employee development is done properly through delegation of authority. A sense of responsibility is generated because of delegation of authority. Now comes the third point of importance, that is motivation of employees. Now delegation motivates the subordinates because they think that their work has been recognized in the organization. A superior has seen something good in them, that's why they are delegating their work to them. So it shows a trust of superior and confidence of superior. So it provides satisfaction to the subordinates and it boosts their morale, so the employees are motivated. Now the fourth point of importance is facilitation of growth. This means that the superior gives an opportunity to the subordinates to grow because they are trained for the future, and the lower level becomes more responsible and they can take up the challenges during diversification and growth. It also says that without delegation, no organization can grow because the superior gives the routine job to the subordinate and focus more on the strategic planning and growth opportunities of the organization. So they have to delegate the work. Therefore, the organization in a whole can grow in a better manner. Next point of importance is basis of management hierarchy. In organization, management hierarchy has been created deliberately. A formal relationship has been established between superior and subordinate so that there should be clarity that who is the boss, and the boss is supposed to give the orders and the subordinate should take orders, should obey the orders and should be accountable to the superior. Thus, it's continues till the last level because every superior is going to delegate the work to his subordinates, and it also says that managerial position has no meaning without delegation. Thus, it acts as a basis of management hierarchy. The last point is better coordination. So in delegation of authority, 3 elements are important, that is authority, responsibility and accountability. That means the authority means power, responsibility means duty and accountability means answerability, which provides clarity in duty. So it helps in developing and maintaining effective coordination among departments and levels because everything is very clear. People know what exactly they are supposed to do, what is their job, whom they are accountable to, and how much power they have been assigned. As a result, no overlapping and duplication of efforts are there. As a result, better coordination can be achieved. Thank you.